Hello everyone, welcome back to Praise Shop Cruise. My name is Itiri. I have on my faux diamonds today, so you know we're going to be discussing diamond painting. I have my latest buys from the Diamond Art Club. I actually purchased this one on sale. It was the last one, the Ocean Whisper Path by Chuck Pinson. I purchased this one on Amazon from Diamond Art Club, and it was like $21. It was on sale. I showed this in a haul, but I did not unbox it, so I want to unbox it in this video and put my hands on the canvas and just look at it myself. This is a 13 by 13 and it is round diamonds, 50 colors, 3 AB diamonds, 3 fairy diamonds, 14,400 diamonds. This is huge for me. I've only been interested in doing smaller kits because I'm a beginner, but I have been stashing away some larger kits just because they've been so beautiful. Yeah, so I will be unboxing this one. I ordered an even larger one because it was so pretty. So I got the official Diamond Art Club box. This is, the big box I always see everyone unbox their stuff with. And I hadn't gotten one of these boxes technically because I had been ordering small kits from Diamond Art Club. So I was so happy to see the Diamond Art Club box. And y'all, I had to, let's see if I can pull it out. I don't know when I'm going to do this one, so don't even ask me. I may do a kit up video in chat, like a kit up in chat, but I had to have this. This is Disinterest by Nocturnal Creations. It's a 22 by 22. Thank God it's round diamonds. I am still getting used to square diamonds. They're just not my favorite right now. This has 82 colors, 1 AB, and 4 fairy dust diamonds. Y'all, does that say 40,804 diamonds? That is wild. It's full diamond coverage. So I want to unbox this. If you're familiar with Diamond Art Club, it is the most, it's the most premium diamond art painting brand. But for the new people, if there's anyone new watching like me, this brand will spoil you. So I started purchasing a lot of my diamond art stuff from cheaper stores like Hobby Lobby. I was purchasing cheaper ones from Michael's. I've purchased diamond art from Dollar General, Walmart. I was purchasing a lot of diamond dots as well, because those are cheaper too, but very good quality. But when you start purchasing from Diamond Art Club, you almost don't want to go back to purchasing anything else. The canvases are luxe. The packaging is luxe. Everything is just so luxe. This is the picture, y'all. And I'm not even a cat person, okay? But this big old, what is this, cougar? This big old leopard, what is it, white leopard? I don't know. I love it. It just says king to me. King or queen. Then I bought the Black Panther Wakanda Warrior keychain. I was very excited when this came out. I was watching it for it to actually drop, and I did. I was able to get one, so we'll unbox this. I can't wait to do that. And then I had to get some more mini Dazzles. I only have one box of mini Dazzles so far that I purchased from Walmart, and they're not my favorite mini Dazzles. Like, it's a bird and some other fall stuff that doesn't super excite me, so that's why I haven't done those yet. But this one definitely excites me with the summer stuff. It's got a watermelon flip-flops, an inner tube, coconut cocktail, popsicle sunglasses. Very pretty. And the packaging is so pretty. I love this tag. I want to use this for something. There's raised lettering on this tag. I'm just in awe with everything. I'm always in awe with Diamond Art Club. That's why I'm pausing and looking at stuff, because this brand right here, it speaks for itself. And you're going to pay some money for it. I mean, that just is what it is. Let's open the smaller stuff first, because I just want to see. I'll probably go ahead and knock this Black Panther keychain out sometime soon. Oh, it's so cute. It's so cute. And then you get the toolkit and the wax, the twist and pick applicator. And you get 15 resealable baggies. And I love the packaging. I really love the packaging. They have all these other Marvel characters. I'm actually a huge Marvel fan, but it's like, do I want them all? Not really. Not really. This one is just really cool. So, Black Panther, got that. I'll put that up later. Let's go ahead and open this mini dots. So focused on trying to keep my stuff intact that I was trying to cut it neatly so I could keep it intact. I love my Diamond Art Club stuff. I just like, I like to treat it so delicately. So we have the toolkit, which always comes with your twist and pick applicator, which that's still in the I don't know phase about using that. I'm still not comfortable using. I mean, I'm comfortable using it, but I'm still not sold on it. You get a multi-place, a wax refill, a stackable tray with lid and stopper, and then one resealable bag, one pack of resealable bags. So they give you a lot in this toolkit. I do love their stackable trays. So you get these. Ooh, these are square. Oh, God. I just noticed these were square. Oh, dear God. They're frame ready. I didn't know it was square. Where's the little shape on it to tell you what it was? See, I don't know. I feel a little sad. And then these are the instructions. I don't have the app, so I need to get the app and save 20%. They give you 4x6 canvases, 6 of those, superior quality diamonds, all the things we read about. I love this little envelope. And then you get, you get the stickers to when you're kitting this up. And then the canvases, y'all, these canvases are so luxe. They're sparkly. You can't really tell with this light, but they're like, you see that sparkle there? They're sparkly. The watermelon, the floaty. Ooh, I love how small these are. Perfect for journaling. Oh, yes. I'm gonna have to spend some more money. I see that right now. I'm gonna have to go ahead and get the other ones that I saw. I wanted the mini Dazzles. I've been trying not to just buy up all the mini Dazzles because I love the concept, of how small they are. I've just been trying not to buy them, but this just tells me I'm gonna have to go back and get some more. I liked the other one when I opened it too, so I just need to bite the bullet and get some more. Let's open this one that was drawn by Chuck Pinson. I love that people draw the Diamond Art Club art. People, not robots. And I love the art by this particular person. He does a lot of beach scenes and landscapes, and I just love all of it. So here's the toolkit again. Look at this. It slides out. Look at how luxe this is. You know, Diamond Art Club paintings can get up there, way past $50. You know, you get $90 and such and such. So, did I open this on the last video? I might open this now that I'm looking at it. And you got the key on both sides. I might have opened this and just didn't remember it. Woo! Symbols and letters and numbers, not just letters and numbers. That's the only thing that I don't like about the larger ones, about the larger canvases. And these canvases feel so luxe. Ocean Whisper Path. This is the card. Treasure Quest cards. And then you get, You get all the stickers to do the labeling for the drills, the start date, end date. Love that about these. There ain't no telling how long this would take me if I started on it. But I have so many small kits that I'm determined to get through before I start on any larger kits. I'm gonna do all my small kits. All my small kits first. Well, most of them. I'm gonna do most of them before I tackle the big ones this year. And I may not even tackle a big Diamond Art Club or any big canvas for that matter this year. I may just stick with all small projects because this is my first year doing this. So it's my first year diamond painting. So I like doing the small projects. But this comes with plastic on it. This large one, the Disinterest. Maybe I'll just name the animal here, Disinterest. That'll be his or her name. I love that they're round, because if this was square, Lord have mercy. Ooh, look at that. This slides, okay. So the box is so nice. I've been watching so many people unbox so many different diamond paintings. I'm not into the fantasy stuff. Like, I'm just not into all these fantasy ones everyone's buying with, like, I don't know, what do you call it? Like dragons and fantasy lands and fantasy looking people and creatures. This one looks more realistic to me. So you get the toolkit with the baggies and such. And then you get this. Oh, man. Nocturnal Creations. This is so dope. So basically collecting the cards. Forgot what you're supposed to do to them. I think you're supposed to scratch this piece off, and it says scratch off below, and you get like different, I guess, points that add up over time, but I'm probably not going to do that. These are the stickers to label your drills. Diamond Art Club also ships super fast. They just make you want to order from them once a week, and you can't order from them once a week because that's ridiculous, because we can't do all of these diamond paintings that we're ordering in 1 year. Like, I know that, okay? But the top tier service and shipping and packaging and all the Luxe of all of the things just makes me want to keep ordering and ordering and ordering. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Holy guacamole. Who is doing this? Who's doing this? Who's doing this? Who gonna come over here and help me do this? Because this is gorgeous. I guess this is where the sparkly diamonds are, here and here. And up there. This is gorgeous. Oh, look at this key. You got to be kidding me. You got to be kidding me. Look at these. Look at this. Look at this. Oh. It's like Diamond Art Club is, you know, the Mercedes of Diamond Art. You know, you drive other cars, you know, but when everyone says, oh, you know, one of the most luxe cars that regular people think of when they think of the best, you think Mercedes. Now, I drive a Lexus, and I love Lexus over Mercedes, so you could even say this was a Lexus, but it's luxe. Like, this is the brand that you get when you want top tier. This is what you buy. It don't matter what no one else tell you, because I've bought a bunch of other stuff. This is, oh my gosh, it's a glittery, it's another glittery like canvas, y'all. Very sticky, y'all. Look at that. Do y'all see that all of that drills has to go on all of that? know y'all are laughing at me because y'all do way bigger ones. People who diamond paint for real, they do way bigger canvases. And I know they're looking at me like, girl, you have no idea what you're such a baby. Is what y'all are gonna say about me. Ask me if I care. This is still too big. And it's gorgeous. And it was $59 before any shipping discounts. Not shipping discounts, but any discounts on the site. Diamond Art Club has sales literally almost every day, it feels like. So you should never be paying full price for something on Diamond Art Club, honestly. And then with all the points I'm building up by shopping as much as I do, I don't have to pay full price because I'm buying too much. But even if you weren't earning points, there's no reason for you to pay full price for anything because they have sales all the time. Like, it doesn't even have to be a holiday. They have some sort of sale for something. So just look out for that. I gotta figure out how this is packaged back, y'all. If you made it to the end of the video, go ahead and put some flowers in the comments. I love this. I think this is the biggest diamond painting kit I've purchased so far, the 22 by 22. I think this might be the biggest one. I don't think I have one bigger than this. And I love it. I don't know when I'm going to do it. I also don't know when I'm going to do that one. But I can tell you, this one, and this one will definitely get done. This year, most likely. So, thank you for watching. Thanks for following me on my diamond painting journey. And I will see you guys real soon. Bye. I had my drills so confused. This is supposed to go in with this one, y'all. I know y'all sitting there looking at me like, I hope you know your drills ain't in the right place. I fixed it, y'all. I fixed it.